So what makes this course different? Well, we've all sat in the lecture room looking at presentations of beautiful slides and listening to lectures, but this is different.
This isn't an implant course. It's a full arch mentorship program where you'll get to experience the whole process, from the consult to surgery, managing prosthetics and even complications, designed to shape how you practice for the rest of your career.
When it comes to completing this treatment, it's not only the planning, the execution of the surgical and the placement of the implants, but the prosthetics, the smile design, the occlusion, and of course the handling and experience for the patient.
By the end of this training, participants should be able to diagnose, plan and execute all NX cases, run a calm, authority-based consultation that leads to case acceptance, safely manage surgery, complications and conversions, and know what cases to treat, which ones to not, and which ones to refer.
There's less theory, more live surgery and more real experience.
Advanced Dental Artistry has been one of Perth's leading cosmetic and implant clinics for more than 25 years. 15 years of that time has been dedicated to refining our full arch protocols. We've had the privilege of seeing between 4 and 8 arches per week, which has given us the real world exposure to be able to refine and develop our protocols further.
There's no formal lectures or conference. It's really based around the emphasis of communication, judgment and restraint. We need to emphasize that you'll not be treating patients. Please send your written or video expression of interest to educate@adaperth.com.au.